Are you a woodworking or DIY enthusiast always on the lookout for the next game-changing tool? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down 20 of the coolest woodworking and handy tools you can get on Amazon. From high-tech gadgets to clever old-school contraptions, this list has something to inspire every maker. So grab a seat in your workshop and let's jump in. You won't want to miss number 1. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 20. Sacher Contour Gauge. This handy profile copying tool makes it a breeze to duplicate irregular shapes for flooring, tiling, or woodworking. Simply press the 10-inch gauge against any oddly shaped edge, lock the teeth in place, and trace the perfect outline. Its adjustable lock ensures your pattern stays put for precise cuts every time. It's a simple gadget that saves loads of time on tricky trim work. Add this to your toolkit and never miss a contour. And stay tuned, because the next tool is a cut above. Number 19. Suizan Japanese Pole Saw. Experience the precision of traditional Japanese woodworking with this pole saw. The Suizan Ryoba features 2 cutting edges, one for rip cuts and one for cross cuts, and slices through wood on the pull stroke for cleaner, thinner cuts. Its flexible blade and razor-sharp teeth make it perfect for dovetails, flush cuts, and detailed trim work. Despite its old-school design, it's incredibly user-friendly and requires minimal effort. Give it a pull and you'll feel like a master craftsman. And keep watching. The tools only get cooler from here. Number 18. E-Tape 16 Digital Tape Measure. This isn't your grandpa's tape measure. The E-Tape 16 adds a digital brain to the classic 16-foot tape. It displays measurements on a large digital screen, lets you switch between units, inches, feet, metric, on the fly, and even stores multiple readings in memory. No more second-guessing fractions or writing down numbers. One glance at the screen and you have an accurate read to 1/16 inch. It's also rugged and auto-locking, so you can use it one-handed. Number 17. Hedgehog Spiral Featherboard. Meet the featherboard that reinvented the wheel, literally. The Hedgehog's unique spiral design with a single knob adjustment lets you set correct tension against your table saw or router table fence with one hand. Just pivot and lock for consistent pressure on your workpiece, greatly improving cut quality and safety. Its one-knob operation is quicker and simpler than traditional featherboards with multiple knobs. Made to fit standard miter slots, it keeps wood firmly against the fence, reducing chatter and the risk of kickback. Number 16. GRRripper Panel Carrier. The GRRripper gives you an extra hand for hauling plywood or drywall. Its jaws clamp securely onto panel edges, and a clever leverage mechanism lets you lift and carry large sheets single-handedly. This cuts strain on your back and fingers by turning unwieldy boards into manageable loads. The heavy-duty padded handle adjusts to thicknesses up to 1 inch, making 4x8 panels effortless. Solo DIYers will appreciate how it saves your back and keeps materials secure. More innovative tools ahead. Stay tuned! Number 15. Milescraft DrillMate. Introducing the Milescraft DrillMate, a drilling stand that guides corded or cordless drills at perfect right angles. No drill press required. Its smooth slider and chuck cradle your drill, while an adjustable depth stop ensures consistent hole depths. Suction pads and stabilizing feet secure it on flat surfaces or pipes. Whether you're drilling dowel holes, shelf pins, or pilot holes, this tool delivers laser-straight precision. It's like carrying a drill press in your toolbox. Try it, and you'll wonder how you drilled before. Number 14. FastCap Third Hand Support System. FastCap's third hand poles give you an extra pair of hands for solo installs. These heavy-duty telescoping support rods extend from about 5 to 12 feet, bracing between floor and ceiling to hold materials in place. Prop up upper cabinets while leveling and screwing, or clamp crown molding tight for nailing. A quick pump handle allows precise height adjustment, and rubber feet prevent slipping. Each pole supports up to 150 pounds, making drywall positioning, glue-ups, and more a breeze. Hands-free support so you can focus on the job. Number 13. Rockwell JawHorse. The Rockwell JawHorse is a foldable metal tripod that combines a sawhorse and vise into one portable workhorse. Pump the foot pedal to deliver up to 1 ton of clamping force, hands-free, on doors, boards, bike frames, and more. Need to rip plywood? Clamp it off the ground. Want to sand or paint a door? Secure it vertically. When you're done, fold it up for easy storage or transport. It's like carrying a workbench and helper in your toolbox. Groundbreaking convenience wherever you go. Number 12. Fein MultiMaster Oscillating Tool. The Fein MultiMaster, the original oscillating multi-tool, packs a 350-watt corded motor for precision cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding in tight spots. Its Starlock quick change system lets you swap blades, plunge cut wood, grout remover, and more in seconds. Perfect for flush cutting door jambs, trimming pipes or shims, undercutting flooring or stripping paint, it operates smoothly with low vibration and noise. Backed by Fein's renowned German build quality, the MultiMaster is the ultimate all-in-one problem solver for remodelers and makers seeking trusted versatility. Number 11. Microjig GRR-RIPPER 3D Pushblock. The Microjig GRR-RIPPER is an advanced pushblock that grips your workpiece and protects your hands like no other. Its adjustable design straddles the saw blade, firmly holding both sides of a cut against the table and fence to virtually eliminate kickback. Non-slip green pads deliver exceptional traction, and configurable legs and spacers adapt to ripping, resawing on a bandsaw, or routing tasks. It acts as a moving blade guard and featherboard in one, ensuring safer, cleaner cuts. Once you try it, you won't want to woodwork without it. Number 10. Woodpeckers Hex Scale Precision Ruler. The Woodpeckers Hex Scale is a hexagon-shaped ruler that delivers 6 laser-etched scales in one tool. Rotate to swap between left to right or right to left readings, center finding 0 points, standard inch or metric layouts, and more. No flipping or guessing required. Its precision engraving virtually eliminates parallax error, ensuring razor-sharp layout lines every time. Machined from anodized aluminum, it's built to last a lifetime. For woodworkers obsessed with accuracy, the Hex Scale makes measuring faster, error-free, and downright satisfying. A small investment that elevates your entire workflow. Number 9. WORX WX 429L Compact Circular Saw. The WORX saw packs a big saw power into a 5-pound, 4.5-inch compact circular saw you can use one-handed. Its thin blade and streamlined design slice through 2x4 lumber in a single pass, making quick work of plywood, trim, flooring, and more. No full-size saw required. The slim body and left side blade give you an unobstructed view of your cut line, while adjustable depth and bevel controls add versatility. Lightweight, maneuverable, and surprisingly powerful, the WORX saw becomes your go-to tool for both small details and larger cuts. Number 8. Magswitch Universal Featherboard. Imagine a featherboard you can stick anywhere on your cast iron table saw. No miter slot needed. The Magswitch Universal Featherboard Kit uses 2 95-pound force magnets to snap onto your tabletop or bandsaw, then lock solid with a simple flip. Position it on either side of the blade, swap attachments for jigs or stops, and slide it effortlessly when you're done. With this magnetic base, you gain instant, reliable workpiece pressure for cleaner, safer cuts. Once you've tried Magswitch, you'll wonder how you ever laid out without it. Number 7. Woodpeckers Mortise Base. Transform your plunge router into a precision mortising machine with Woodpeckers Mortise Base. Attaching to guide rod holes, it adds fully adjustable dual fences for perfect mortises of any size, delivering rock-solid stability and wobble-free cuts. Micro-adjust knobs allow exact positioning, while the machined aluminum construction ensures durability and accuracy. Beyond mortises, tackle edge profiling, dados, and more with the same setup. Made in the USA, this multifunction base expands your router's capabilities, making joinery tasks easier, faster, and incredibly precise. Number 6. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig. Kreg's 720 Pro benchtop jig delivers lightning-fast, perfectly angled pocket holes without manual adjustments. Its auto-adjusting clamp grips 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch stock with one handle push, while drill guides self-position for material thickness. Built-in support arms hold long boards, and integrated storage keeps bits and screws at hand. Dust collection ports maintain a clean workspace. For furniture, cabinets, and frames, the 720 Pro turns pocket-hole joinery into a smooth, foolproof process, boosting efficiency and strength so you can build more faster. Number 5. DeWalt XTREME 12-volt. Imagine a drill that sneaks into any space and masters every task. The DeWalt 5-in-1 drill and driver does just that. Its compact 12-volt base works solo or snaps onto 4 heads, 3/8 inch keyless chuck, locking bit holder, right angle adapter, or offset angle adapter. Drill in tight corners or drive screws against walls with ease. Attachments click on and off in seconds, even combine them. With 2-speed gearing, 15 clutch settings, and a brushless motor, this versatile tool replaces multiple drills, saving you space and time on any job. Number 4. Arbortech TURBOPlane. The Arbertech TURBOPlane transforms an angle grinder into a rapid wood shaping tool. This 4-inch carbide disc attaches to standard grinders, enabling freehand carving and planing with precision. Used flat for aggressive stock removal or angled for finer cuts, it leaves surprisingly smooth surfaces that need minimal sanding. Acting like a power chisel, it sculpts concave or convex forms and planes large areas. Its resharpenable carbide cutters minimize kickback and last long. Woodworkers rave how it speeds carving and unleashes creativity. Chips fly, work doesn't. Number 3. SawStop Jobsite Saw PRO. Meet the SawStop Jobsite Saw PRO. It stops the blade in just 5 milliseconds on skin contact, instantly dropping it below the table to prevent injuries. Beyond its life-saving safety system, this portable table saw delivers pro-level performance with a 24.5-inch rip capacity, quick change blade guard, and riving knife, and onboard storage. A folding cart makes transport easy, while the rack and pinion fence and one-turn elevation ensure pinpoint accuracy. Running on standard 120-volt, it's ideal for job sites or small shops. Proof you don't have to sacrifice performance for peace of mind. Number 2. Festool Domino Joiner DF500. Quickly create furniture-grade joints with the Festool Domino DF500. Think of it as a biscuit joiner on rocket fuel. Its adjustable fence and plunging cutter carve perfectly sized oval mortises in seconds. Insert factory-made beech domino tenons, apply glue, and clamp for snug self-aligning strength far beyond biscuits. Ideal for chair rails, table aprons, face frames, and more. It handles tenon widths from 5mm to 10mm with precise spacing stops. With Festool's ergonomic design and dust collection, complex joinery becomes fast, reliable, and virtually mess-free. Number 1. Shaper Origin Handheld CNC Router. The Shaper Origin is the world's first handheld CNC router, marrying freehand control with robotic precision. Stick Shaper's domino pattern tape on your workpiece, load a digital design on the touchscreen, and guide the router close to your path. Its onboard camera and motorized spindle autocorrect movements in real time, delivering cuts accurate to 1/1000th of an inch. Program Z-Touch depth and multipass saving let you tackle complex joinery, inlays, text, and intricate shapes without a bulky gantry. It's CAD-level precision in a handheld tool, unleashing limitless creative possibilities in any workshop. There you have it, 20 innovative tools that can transform your woodworking and DIY projects. From smart measuring tapes to high-tech cutters and trusty old tool reinvented, these gadgets are all about working smarter, safer, and with more fun. If you enjoyed this roundup, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing for more deep dives into awesome tools and tips. Which tool was your favorite and what would you build with it? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building and stay creative.